Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very exciting and something that I've been waiting to do for the WRX probably since the day that I actually bought the car. And it's a very controversial thing about the WRX that ever since it was released, that the plastic guards, I guess you could say, they were all black and all plastic and they didn't really match the car. I mean, in the grey, in the magnetite grey that we have, you can kind of get away with it, but it was always in the back of my mind and something that I knew I was always going to change on the car. So today is the day that we finally get to change them, paint match them, put them on, and not only that, but they're going to be 10 mils wider too. So I'm extremely excited to do it. Like I've been waiting for this day, like again guys, since the day I pretty much bought the car. So yeah, I'm gonna GPS chuck it in there and we're going to our homeboys, our friends down at D-Marker. They always hook us up and they're going to install the over fenders paint matched for us today as well, and then we'll go out and give a nice walk around of the car and how it looks, and I think it's just going to be amazing, to be honest, and I personally can't wait. So yeah, enough talking, we'll get on our way, set the navigation, and then we should start getting down to the work and see, maybe I have some sick cool cars we can record while we're down there too. So yeah, peace and pick the camera. Containers now. Yeah, a lot of nice cars today. These Type R's here as well, but I'm just gotta find somewhere to park. Okay, that wagon looks so nice. We'll probably, we'll park up and we'll just walk around. We'll see how busy they are. I think they're unloading a container at the moment, so probably a little bit busy at the second. But yeah, we'll give a walk around with what cars they have sitting around there, because yeah, that wagon looks amazing. Give it a last walk around before we take these guards off, so we can see how the wheel sits in pretty nicely, to be honest. Again, these don't look too bad on the grey, but I really do want everything just matching and looking perfect. Fitment's pretty good, honestly, pretty perfect for the stock guards, but you're going 10 mil wider, so I am going to make a future video on that as well, making up for the difference. But yeah, this is just a comparison of the stock guards. We will also in this video be doing a rear diffuser just to match up the rear end, and I think just looks perfect. But yeah, so again guys, we are going 10 mil wider and it's just gonna look that much more aggressive. Can't wait. Want to give you guys a quick little talk about this Veilslide RX-7 as well. This was all done by them. They've outsourced people that they know, and a lot of the job or work they could do, they did themselves, as well as the NSX above them, interior, exterior, sourced wheels. Like, they've done a crazy job on this car. The owner was actually from Melbourne, for what I was told, but yeah, they actually absolutely killed it. Yeah, the Recaro.
That's all been resprayed. Yeah, that's all resprayed. Here we go.
This NSX wide body kit is with them as well, and I couldn't get my eyes off this. Just imagine that in a red or white, it'd be insane. Alright, so while it's on the ground, I'll show you guys a good comparison. This is the new 10mm wider grey paint matched guards compared to the OEM stock ones. You can see how aggressive those ones were and how kind of flat these were. I mean, again, each to their own, but for my setup, these make more sense and it just looks a lot better. Wider, and the paint match just really puts the car completely together. Yeah, sweet. So it's on, but the back looked a bit naked, so we're getting a rear diffuser as well. But wow. That just looks so much better. Especially with the paint all matched up with the carbon. Again, massive shout out to the guys at D-Marker. Really just only quality and service is just outstanding. And guys, if you want any parts from them, I'll leave my little QR code and link in the description. But yeah, looks amazing. Rear diffuser is on, and I think it just really finishes out the rear end of the WRX perfectly. We got in that gloss black just to match everything, and it just complements the rear end of the car so much more. Alright, that's it guys. So finally the 10mm over fender flares are on, paint matched, and man, I can't believe how much it just flows the car so much better. It just looks so ridiculously clean now, and we have a lot more room to play with tire wise, so we are going to do that. The plans are to run a 10mm on each side just to get the match up with the over fenders. But wow, like, we'll give it a proper walk around. We did also do a rear diffuser just because I thought while we did that it looked a bit naked, so we did extend the rear end. And D-Maker also sell these different carbon, different colors to match your car, but I went with gloss black to match the kit. But I think that looks probably the best rear diffuser in my opinion. It just really finishes up the rear end. It's not overly aggressive, but it gives it that little touch that it needs. But yeah, wow, these are 100% day in day out worth it. The good thing is they are a direct replacement, so you can keep your OEM ones. We kept the OEM factory ones with us, so you can always switch over depending whatever you want to do. If you want to sell it, you can put the stock ones back on, but if you want to keep it, you can always keep the wider ones on, which I don't think you would ever want to change it, but that is always up to you guys, right? But they are a direct replacement, which is awesome. Quick, easy, clip on, clip off. You guys can do it at home, or you guys can get down here if you're in Sydney or Australia at the maker to install them for you guys as well. So they'll definitely do that. They'll install anything for you guys, and yeah, again, just looks so good. I can't believe it. Let's give a proper walk around. Like, the car just looks that much more aggressive and that much more better now that it's just all one color. I do want to do the front bumper, side skirts, but you kind of get away with the gray at the moment, so I'm not too fussed. But wow, if you guys are thinking about grabbing it, even for the gray or any color, 100% do it. Yeah, again, I'll leave my 10% discount code here for you guys, so just chuck that in at the maker and you guys can get 10% off, which is amazing. You guys can get the carbon bonnet, front lips. They do have a style similar to the C28, which they offer. But yeah, I'll leave their link in the description where it shows you everything that if you want to replicate similar to what my car is, you guys can definitely do that. Wow, such a nice day, and the WRX has just really all come together so well. With the Yokohamas now, the tyre setup, the track look, and the wider guards, the rear diffuser, the exhaust, it's just all coming together. It's just like, yeah. This is all coming together now how I pictured and imagined in my head. So a lot of the exterior is already done, in my opinion. There's not too much I want to do to it more, exterior wise, cosmetic wise, because I want to leave it subtle, leave it nice. I think the biggest one was the paint match guards, which we're waiting for, and it's just day and night. I can't get over it, how good that is. Next will be, of course, since we do track the car, we are next weekend, not this coming weekend, but the next weekend, we are taking it back to DNA Motorsports, where we've got our original wheel alignment and lowering as well, just to set the car up. So we have rear camber arms going in that day as well. Another professional wheel alignment and adjusting and cutting the body to lower the car a bit more, with hopefully 10mm wider guards going in as well. So again, I really want to fill the guard in as much as I can. So we are going to bring the wheels out by another 10mm. So that does mean we'll be running spacers, which is up to 10mm is completely fine. I'd still say run extended wheel nuts or extended studs, sorry, just for extra caution. But yeah, look at that, guys. It's just, and the finished and quality is just amazing as well. You also get functioning rear vents now instead of the plastic that was covering it before, and yeah, it kind of speaks for itself. It's just, what a car now. I can't believe it. I didn't even, who knew the WRX would come to what it is now? It just looks like, I love it. Like that next to the 34 today, which hopefully we go next to, and we have the chance to visit the 34. It'll look just insane together, because this is the perfect daily in my opinion. It's just so comfortable, and yeah, this is my favorite view. And that's kind of wrap today's video up, guys. Like, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little informative video, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that leaves a comment, like and subscribe. Just any type of discussion, I'm always down for it. Any questions you have, just shoot it down, guys. I'm happy to chat, happy to have a discussion with you. And yeah, if you guys can support me by leaving a like and subscribe, just means a lot, because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is my goal. And yeah, we're almost there. If you guys can just hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Wrapping it up, WRX is pretty much cosmetically all done. We've got the carbon bonnet, 10mm wider fender flares, C28s. Now it's just missing some Brembos, but wow. That track meaty stance as well with the new 8009 Yokohamas we did in the previous video. just, yeah, it really finishes up the car. And I have to say, they perform insane, especially in this type of weather. They're just so sticky. It's ridiculous. Guys, thank you again so much for sticking through to the end and following me along the journey of the WRX, because it's just been, yeah, a lot of pleasure. Still more to come, more to go with the 34, and yeah, it's just been such a fun thing to kind of document and vlog and do. So I'm excited to continue on and do more. And yeah, I don't know if that's me wrapping up this video. If I don't and it continues, that means we're going next to the 34 as well, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the future video. Peace.